How to open watch back cover. Step 1. First, identify the type of your watch back cover. You can do this by looking at the edge of the back cover and see if there are any notches, screws, or hinges. Step 2. If your watch has a snap-on back cover, you can use your thumbnail or a razor blade to pry it open. Find the hinge or the gap between the back cover and the case, and insert your thumbnail or the blade under it. Then, lift it gently until the back cover pops off. Step 3. If your watch has a screw-on back cover, you can use a rubber ball or a pair of scissors to unscrew it. Press the rubber ball firmly against the back cover and twist it counterclockwise. If the back cover is too tight, you can use the tip of a pair of scissors to fit into the notches and twist it counterclockwise. Step 4. If your watch has individual screws on the back cover, you can use a small screwdriver to remove them. Make sure you use the right size and shape of the screwdriver to avoid damaging the screws. Unscrew them one by one and keep them in a safe place. Then, lift the back cover carefully. I hope this helps you open your watch back cover. Please be careful and gentle when you do it, and make sure you don't damage any parts of your watch. If you are not confident or experienced, you may want to take your watch to a professional instead. Have a nice day. Smiling face with smiling eyes. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.